In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Basecamp. A template in Basecamp is a ready-made project you can reuse, so your team doesn't have to rebuild the same structure every time. It's perfect for repeatable work like client onboardings, content production, or event planning. Let's walk through the process from sign-in to saving your template, with a few tips to keep things clean and consistent. First, sign into your Basecamp account. Head to the regular login page, enter your email address, and click Next. On the following screen, type your password and continue. If your organization uses single sign-on or any extra verification, just follow those prompts and you'll land on your Basecamp home. From your home screen, go to your projects area and look for the templates option. Click View Templates to open the templates section. This is where all your reusable project setups live. If your account already has a few, you'll see them listed. If not, we're about to make your first one. Click New Template. You'll be asked to give your template a name. Choose something specific and recognizable so teammates instantly understand when to use it. Think client onboarding, product launch, or monthly marketing sprint. Clear names reduce confusion and help keep your library tidy. Next, add a description. This is your chance to explain the purpose of the template, when to use it, and any important notes about scope or timing. Consider including what's covered, what's not, and who typically owns each phase. A good description saves questions later and makes onboarding new teammates easier. When you're happy with the name and description, click Create Template. Basecamp will open the template just like a regular project, but remember, this isn't a live project yet, it's your reusable blueprint. From here, you can add the structure you want every new project to start with. Create to-do lists that mirror your workflow, add documents or files that people need every time, and set up messages or guidelines that provide context. Keep tasks and assignments generic unless they truly never change. Placeholders like assigned a project lead can prevent accidental misassignment. If your process relies on standard check-ins or schedules, outline them here so nothing gets missed when someone spins up a new project. That's it. You've created a Basecamp template you can use again and again for consistent, efficient project setup. The next time you kick off work of this type, start from this template to save time and maintain quality. Thanks for watching, and happy templating.